high above the clouds, tucked away at 11,000 feet in the mountains of Anantnag, Kashmir, lies a body of water that is much more than just a scenic spot. This is Sheshnag Lake. For thousands of years, it has been whispered that something ancient and divine dwells beneath these freezing waters. Is it just a legend, or is there a secret hidden in the depths that science can't explain? Today, we dive into the mystery of Sheshnag. The journey to Sheshnag isn't easy. It's a grueling trek on the way to the holy Amarnath cave. But for the devotees, this isn't just a pit stop. It's a site of immense power. According to Hindu mythology, this lake was created by Lord Shiv himself. Legend says that when Shiva was on his way to Amarnath cave to reveal the secret of immortality, the Amar Katha, to goddess Parvati, he had to leave behind his worldly possessions. At Pahalgam, he left his bull Nandi. At Chandanwadi, the moon. And here, at this lake, he released the king of serpents, Sheshnag. But here is where it gets eerie. Locals and pilgrims have claimed for generations that the lake is not empty. Some say that on certain nights, especially during a full moon, the water ripples in a way that suggests something massive is moving underneath. The sightings. Some trekkers swear they have seen a large, dark silhouette resembling a giant snake gliding through the crystal clear water. The 7 peaks. Look closely at the mountains surrounding the lake. They are known as the Saptarishi peaks, but many believe they represent the 7 heads of the Sheshnag, guarding the entrance to the underworld. The belief is so strong that even today, many locals refuse to step into the water out of respect or perhaps fear. They believe Sheshnag still resides there, protecting the sanctity of the path to Shiva. Now let's look at the facts. Why does this lake behave so strangely? First, the color. The lake is famous for its deep emerald green color. While science says this is due to high concentrations of algae and the reflection of the sky, locals believe the color comes from the emeralds on the serpent's head. Now the freezing mystery. For nearly 6 months of the year, the lake is a solid sheet of ice. Yet, stories persist of the ice cracking in strange, geometric patterns that don't look natural. Whether you believe in the giant serpent or not, there is something undeniable about Sheshnag Lake, the energy. Anyone who has stood on its banks speaks of an overwhelming sense of peace and a strange feeling of being washed. The air is thin, the silence is deafening, and the water is so clear you can see deep into its belly. Is it the high altitude playing tricks on the mind, or is the lake a portal to something we don't understand? Sheshnag Lake remains one of the world's great intersections of faith and mystery. To some, it's a beautiful glacial lake. To others, it is the home of a deity who has lived for eons. What do you think? Is there a guardian beneath those green waters? Or is it all just a myth born from the majesty of the mountains? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Have you ever felt something extra at a holy site? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mysteries from the heart of the Himalayas.